In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories to your Big Cartel website. This process is simple and can be done in just a few minutes, helping you organize your online store efficiently. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to Big Cartel's website. You'll want to start by logging in. Simply click on the login button, which you can find on the top right corner of the home page. Once you click there, you'll be prompted to enter your shop URL along with your password. Go ahead and type those in. After entering your details, click on the login button again to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Big Cartel dashboard. This is the hub of all activity for your online store. Now you'll want to direct your attention to the navigation menu and click on products. This is where you manage all your items that are up for sale. On the products page, you'll see the option to add a product, which is crucial for setting up categories. Click on add a product and you'll be taken to a new product page. Now scroll down until you locate the categories section. This is where you'll be organizing your products into categories. You'll see a small plus sign, click on it, then select Manage Categories. This will open a new panel giving you the control to add and edit the categories as you see fit. In the new panel, you'll again notice a plus sign. Click on this to start creating a new category for your products. Here you'll find a field to type in your desired category name. Think about how you want to organize your products. Having clear and well-defined categories can help customers navigate your store more easily. Once you've typed in the category name, remember to click on the Save button. Saving regularly ensures that you don't lose any changes you make. After saving your new category, click on Done to exit the category management panel. You'll be back on the product page now. With your category created, you're all set. Now to finalize everything, locate the Save button at the bottom right of the screen and click it. And that's it, you've successfully added a category